Hi guys, today I will show you how to get Ecom clients. 8 ways I used myself and I tell you which one is the best. So first things first is X giveaways and post content. As you can see, I grew here 1,500 followers just from December 24. That's actually not so long. And so you can see what you do here. You just post results, you post private stuff, here another results, you post here, I post designs, another results, a results, or again private stuff that also works very well. As you can see, private stuff, results. That is a tool I did with a partner together. Here more results, here more pushing, here YouTube results, private stuff, a reminder. So I teach them here again, I teach the people, I teach them. And don't worry about that you think, okay, I don't know so much and I'm not perfect. You always teaching people that just some steps behind. If the gap is too big, people won't follow you because it's too overwhelming. Okay, so whatever you know, just teach the people. Post content here also. That's just some funny stuff, man. I found this profile here, 3 hours average paid. That's crazy. So okay, here also some pushing stuff. So just post content and what works the best is actually giveaways. They blow up a lot when you go here content. Let's check the last 3 months, then we see what was working very good for me. For example, this post, as you can see, 700 comments, over 74, sorry, German and English is different, 74k views. Okay, this was a big post that works very well. A lot of people have contacted me, and here you can look 606 saves. A lot of people contact you. The next one is obvious. YouTube is a little bit different than X is more like, I would say, like gems. Like you can really share a lot of good stuff. There's not like surface level, you need to share good stuff. Then you can do YouTube, what I'm doing right now, also like teaching people just some steps behind you. Post consistently. You also need to understand, if you're doing niches like email marketing, there are big accounts there and they have even 20k followers here, for example Buyan. Okay, also you see the views 600, 900, okay, 30k, 13k here, 300 views, again 700 views. So you're very niche down, so it doesn't matter. Don't worry about clicks and views and all that stuff. Every video could be 1 or 2 a client, okay, because you're very niche down. The next one is a cold DM. You can do it with we go to Google Xreacher. You can use Xreacher. I used Xreacher in the beginning. I think you guys also can do 50 per day for free. Okay, but also take care about all that stuff. You could get blocked because for most social media platforms it's not allowed to do cold outreach. But that's actually how I got my first client. I used Xreacher. You can also use Drippy. Most people are using. Oh, I deleted it. Yeah, most people are using actually Drippy AI. For me, there was no reason to use it because it's way too expensive in my opinion. But try it. I think the features are way better than Xreacher on there. Just find yourself out. The next thing you can do is cold emails with Instantly or Smart Send. And there's also a school community, ListKit, very good. They also have the client acquisition. One of our biggest email marketers in the world also joined this group. And yeah, with cold emails you can outreach, make the offer simple and easy, 1-2 lines, just send these messages and then find out what is working for you. Okay, the same with cold DMs. I can show you one messages I was outreaching. See, this is one. Yo Miguel, I know blah blah. You get DMs a day, but I wanted to see if I could partner up with you, testing, alright, some blah 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 blah. You can read that message, then we talked about, and yeah, okay. That was the message. I was reaching out and got my first client very fast, within a week, I guess. So then there are some school communities you can join. I really can recommend this from Max, the inbox community, but you also can search for more communities for email marketing. This one also you can see I'm very active. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can do right there. You just post content, and also there people will reach out to you. Can you help them? Also coach there some people, so that's another way to find clients there, because they will apply you. I would never outreach to anybody here, because I think that's not the way you should do it, because not my community and all that stuff. But when people reach out to me and they need my help, for sure, that's fine. Then friends and referrals, that's also, I got some clients. Actually, my not first client, but the first time ever I did email marketing was for a friend. I knew he was doing drop shipping. I'm like, okay, let me do the email marketing for you for free, and I take your case study and you make a testimonial for me. And then when you're good, obvious, you're getting referrals. So it's actually way easier to maintain a client, to get a new client, and also it's easier when you have a client already to go to this client and tell him, bro, do you know somebody else? I mean, most people, they are in a bubble from other people's lives. So if somebody is racing cars, he have probably racing car friends that also race cars. And the same with shops. If you have doing email marketing for a guy who have an online shop, usually he have more friends who also have an online shop. Okay, so referrals is a big point. Then Upwork, it's another thing. I think I got my third or fourth client. I tried in the beginning every method. So my third or fourth client I got from Upwork. Yeah, but didn't like it too much. But I know some people, they have actually here number 3. You can reach out to this guy, very friendly guy. He has a lot of success with Upwork. He's very good. I think he got like some 7-figure per month clients also there. And what you also can do, a very easy method, and actually one of the best methods, you go to Facebook Ads Library, type in random words, whatever niche you want to do work with. Subscribe to the email list, add to cart, check the pop-up, mobile, desktop, and create a Loom video with improvements. Okay, so there's 2 methods. You can ask them, okay, I can recommend some improvements, or found some errors on your website. Can I send over the Loom video? Or you send it straight away to them. Okay, so I gave you now 8 methods how to get ecom clients, but keep in mind, to get ecom clients is very hard. It's not too easy, everybody is telling you, because they get spammed every day from people. They're doing their website, they're doing Chrome optimization, they're doing the ads from them, Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, they're doing the email marketing. So to get these people is actually not too easy. It's very hard, okay? I mean, people are saying it's easy, they're probably very big, and the people come to them. And it's a different to close inbound leads or to close outbound leads, okay? So just try and find out what is working for you, and I hope you find a lot of clients out there.